Hello guys, this is TNM Reptiles. Um, just showing a quick video how I wire up my FlexWatt. I'm new to this. Starting my snake rack and just wanted to update how I'm doing mine. And I got a few ideas on YouTube, so I just decided to start posting YouTube videos. Recently I've been doing it. You can look at my videos. I got also dogs that I will be breeding. There's just one female bull terrier. So if anybody's interested, please message me or you can email me. I will be putting my email address in the link below. Also, so this is how I do mine. I got my FlexWatt from Bean Farm. This is my third video I'm doing. I'm trying to get a better angle for you guys to see. Okay. I forgot to tell you guys, I soldered onto my wire. Just makes it easier. Man, it's still sticking on. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're good. So that's how I solder mine. Pretty much how everybody else does it. So what I like to do also is pre-test it, make sure everything heats up good. So let's see. There you go. Temperature's rising. 97, 99. It's all good. I got this infrared thermostat reader at Harbor Freights. It's pretty good. Works fine. It only cost me, I believe, $29.99. With the coupon came out to like $25 and change. Like they're $25.35, I believe. So just makes it easier to make sure how my rats are doing, my mice and my snakes. So keep posted. I will be posting more videos about my rat collection. I will be picking up a new red-tailed boa, and I'll keep you posted on my mice. Thank you. Thanks for watching.